Let's talk about Python's version of the ternary operator. Many programming languages allow you to take code like this that assigns a variable to one of two values based on a condition and turn this code into a single line of code. This strange question mark colon syntax is often called a ternary operator, and we don't have this in Python. That isn't valid Python code. Instead, we have something called a conditional expression, though we often call it an inline if, because it looks sort of like an if-else statement all in one line of code. Now, notice that in a conditional expression, the condition is in the middle. This is actually run first, and if it returns something truthy, then the expression at the beginning that's just before the if is evaluated. Otherwise, the expression that's at the end just after the else is evaluated. So in our case, noun will be set to items if amount is not equal to 1. But if amount is equal to 1, then noun will be set to item instead. Now, I find short conditional expressions like this one pretty readable, but long conditional expressions can be pretty hard to read sometimes. I usually recommend breaking up a long conditional expression over multiple lines of code using parentheses so that my human brain can parse the different parts of the conditional expression more easily. Though if you're writing a very complex conditional expression, you might ask yourself whether a regular if-else statement might be more readable instead. Python doesn't have the question mark colon ternary operator that many programming languages do. Instead, we have conditional expressions, which read a little bit more like English and look kind of like an if-else statement all on one line of code.